Chocolates? Of course you like chocolates. I like chocolates too. What if I tell you that you can make your own chocolate at home in just 2 minutes? Yes, the preparation time is just 2 minutes. Of course, the hardest part is waiting for the chocolate to set. You just need 3 ingredients to make it. So let's get started. So we need 1 cup of hot coconut oil, 2 cups of cocoa powder and honey according to your taste. So let us start. First we'll put on the coconut oil, then honey, and then the cocoa powder. Now mix it thoroughly. Now put the cocoa powder and now mix it up. So now it's ready. Now is the time to taste it. If it is less sweet, you can add more honey. So now let's put it in the molds. So now it's done. So use a regular ice tray. Now it's time to put these in the freezer. Now if you are using a silicone mold, then you have to keep it for 1 hour. And if you are a regular normal plastic ice tray, then you have to keep for 3 to 4 hours. So guys, now it's ready. Now let's remove it from the mold. It's now removed and it is ready to taste. So guys, let us taste now. This is the big one. It's yummy.